darkness, my old friend, I want to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seats while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remain and touch the sound of silence. In the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs and voices never share. No wonder, and touch the sound of silence. Of a sound of silence.
Si t'ha agradat este vídeo que acabes de veure, subscriu-te al canal de YouTube de Family Duo. Vinga, a què esperes?